Crypto trading is very good, very profitable. But how about this? This is Bybit P2P Advertiser Africa. I am one of the members. Look at one problem. Do you know thousands of people that lost their hard-earned money to fraudsters through P2P? Let us read this one together first. Help me, this API is more than 16 days. CS request me to provide me refund details and I have provided since 3 days ago and it didn't refund me. Please see, if I continue scrolling, I'm not using this one to scare you, but I have come to give you one of the solutions to this challenge. Have you ever heard about Cleva? If you are used to my YouTube channel, you know I have given you guys series of videos on opportunity of using Cleva app. Okay, let me click on this add fund. Now look at this. This is where the solution comes out. Let me start from this one. Let's iron this out. From Stablecoins, receive USDT or USDC from external wallets, which means you can easily transfer your money, your crypto, from any exchange to Cleva and withdraw it down to your local bank account. I'm still coming to that. Another great opportunity is this. Bank transfer. You can receive money from bank, from PayPal, from Upwork, from Payoneer, from Wise, Deal, and other platforms. And you can receive money from conversion, which means you can put money there now locally from your local bank account, put money there and convert it to USD. Then you can receive money from USD, convert it to local currency you are using, withdraw it through your local bank account. So freelancers, this is a great opportunity for you or you are into online businesses to receive money from outside countries. Withdraw it to your local bank account. That is not all. Let me go back. Look at the conversion rates. As of now, today, when I'm making this video, $1 to Naira equals to 1,538 Naira 98 Kobo. That is official rate. If you go to Aboki or this black market now, I am pretty sure you cannot get this rate. I am very sure you cannot get it this rate. Consider the stress, transport, and whatever. Now, with the help of the Cleva, which means you transfer your money from any exchanges or whatever freelancing job you are doing outside country or whatever, get it through this app, then withdraw with a very good market rate. You can imagine, look at it, $1 equals to 1,526 Naira. I'm going to withdraw this money, you will see it. Now, what I want to train you about this now is how to sign up for this Cleva app in a right way that will benefit you. I will show you how to transfer your crypto assets, your coin, whatever, from different exchanges to this app, then withdraw it down to your local bank account. All this thing is very fast. Within few seconds, minutes, boom, you have your money. You don't need to go to bank stressing yourself. And with the help of this Cleva, I am able to have US bank accounts. I repeat, with the help of this Cleva app, I am able to have US bank accounts, which means I can easily receive payment from outside countries, withdraw it, and have black market exchange rate. Everything swiftly to my local bank account. Click on add fund. I just want to show you this, okay? Click on by bank transfer, then boom, look at this. So you can read through this now. You see, look at my account details, Dairo Oluwaseyi bank, lead bank, account number, routing number, account type, and so on. Let me go back. Click on this one from Stablecoins. Are you seeing it now? USDT Tron or USDC. So if I click on this now, are you seeing it? So this is my wallet address. I will send it to anybody now to receive my payment. I'm going to demonstrate everything for you now. Then USDC also. Then last one is from conversion. Let's go practical now. The first thing to do, you have to sign up for Cleva. Share the pinned comment. You have to make use of my link, which will help you. So step number 1, click on my link. That is my referral link. When click on it, it will take you to this homepage interface. You can install the app on your phone. This is linked to Play Store and this is to App Store to install it. Then you can make use of your browser. Tell us who you are. This will determine the type of account you get, individual or registered business. You are the one that will take decision on the kind of account you want to create. As for me, I will create individual. So when selected, click continue. Continue on our app, which means it is best for you to install the app, then continue the sign up. During the sign up process, you will see option to input referral code. My referral code is on the screen here and I still put it in the pinned comment. Make sure you make use of of it for added advantage using the Cleva app. Registration is super simple. You will get to this page, then you can click on add fund, then proceed to this aspect. So let me quickly walk you through transferring of the coin or crypto asset from one exchange to Cleva. So I want to make use of CoinEx, then click on assets. Good. From here, click on withdraw. Don't forget, you can only send stablecoin, which is either USDT or USDC. So let's assume you don't have stablecoin. What you will do is to convert your coin to stablecoin. How will you do that? Let me go back. From here alone, you can click on transfer. The coin you have is not a stablecoin, right? But you want to convert it to stablecoin. Where are you transferring from? Is this from sports to wherever? You can select from here, or you can use this one now to change it. Then here you will select the trading pair for the coin you have and the one you want to transfer to. So let me do it from here now. Let's say I click on this market, then I will select, let's say you can search for the coin here. So let's say ACT USDT now. So let's say the coin you have is ACT, this one. So, and you want to send it to what? Stable coin, which means you have to click on this one so as to select the stable coin, which is USDT here. Then you can put the amount of the crypto asset you want to transfer to stable coin. I have a special video on that. Check the pinned comment, or I'll put it somewhere around here. Oh, here to go and watch. The purpose of this video is to show you how to transfer funds from exchange to Cleva app. So I click on withdraw, change this one. I have stablecoin already, which is USDT. I think I need to show you it's a spot wallet, and look at this 910.57 USDT. It's a stable coin. Okay, so let me put this one and click here now to look for USDT I have. So I click on USDT here, select this one, which is normal transfer. Inter-user transfer is when you are transferring to another account or another wallet address in the same exchange. But this one now, we are sending it out. So select this one. Click here to select the network. So look at the options given us here. BSC, that's the BP20, Tron, TRC20. So before I select now, I will first go to where I'm sending to. Where I'm sending to, I have to determine how I will send it. Don't forget, I have a special video on that. Very detailed video that will explain how to transfer right without you landing into problem. So here now, this is the account, Cleva account I want to send the stablecoin to. So I will click on add fund, click on this, then the option is yours. Do you want to receive with USDT, that is Tron, or USDC, which is Solana's, SOL? As for me, I will select USDT. So I will click on this one. Read the instruction. You know, we are given two options, either USDC or USDT. Whatever, just read the instructions carefully here. Read carefully. Send only USDT via Tron network. So which means I have to select Tron network. Look at the network. Tron TRC20. Let me go and show you there. Are you guys seeing it? Tron TRC20. For it, sending, if that's why you need to go and watch that tutorial video. It breaks down details about sending and how to send right to be profitable. Like, I'm just using this one as a tutorial for you. If I use this exchange to send to Cleva now, it will not favor me. You know why? Because of these charges. Look at the fees, 2.50 USDT. But I need to do it because just to train you, so I don't want to stress myself going to another exchange again. But before you send, check the network very well, okay? And if you check carefully, look at BSC BP20 is just 0.09. This one is profitable, 0.09 BP20. So let me click on back from here now, and the option given here is just USDC. Let me click on USDC on this one. So second one is Solana, SOL. So let me go and check again. If I use Solana, it's very profitable for me. You know why? Look at the fee, 0.99. So this is advantage for us. But mind you, if you use this one now, you have to consider what you are sending. You are not sending USDT. You are sending what? USDC. Don't do mistake. Send USDT or send USDC. And what I have here is what? Is USDT. So far what I have is USDT. If I consider the charges, it depends on the exchange you are using. If you consider the charges and you feel like sending using USDC will be profitable for you, which means first go and convert from USDT here to what? To USDC. Profitable solution is for you to go to sports. This is sports. Let me show you how I get there. Click on sports. So from sports here now, change this trading pair. Then even from here, I can see USDC, USDT trading pair. Now click on it. If you don't know how to do spot trading at all, maybe all these things I'm doing, you find it difficult to understand, I have a special video on that. Check the pin comment, I'll put it there or anywhere around here. Then from here now, you see buy. What are we buying? Buy USDC. And you see sell. If I click on this sell now, you see what will happen. Good. You see now, sell USDC. So do we want to sell USDC or we want to buy it? We want to buy USDC. What do we have? We have USDT. So I will click on buy USDC. Why do we want to buy USDC? Because where we are sending it to and the exchange we are using, I am using CoinX. That is why I'm seeing all these things. If you are using Bybit now, probably it may be profitable for you. You don't need to stress yourself again. So where you are sending to and where you are sending from will determine if you will pass through all these mathematics. But if everything works fine for you, you don't need to stress yourself with this. You will just go straight. Just like I would do it, I will go straight. I don't mind them charging me 2 point something. After all, I'm using this as a tutorial for you. I have a special video on this, so you can go and watch it. I don't want to use this one to take much of my time. Then after selecting buy USDC, you have USDT. You want to use the money to buy USDC. How will you do that? You will put this money you have here now. Look at it now. See the money, USDT, and look at the assets, and look at the USDC. It's zero. We haven't put anything here. So let me drag this now. This, I will drag it to this place like this now. Then you see, I'm dragging it. Good. Put everything there. If I put this thing in the center now, you see. Then option 2 is for you to click on this inside here. Then impute it manually. Like, okay, I want to put 500 USDT now to buy USDC. So after that now, so this is the value of USDC you get. Then click on buy. Before you click on buy, please make sure you change this limit to market. Limit means that you want to buy in certain rates and it's not stable. Okay, so just change this limit to market. Let me click on it, then put it market. Why do we need to put it limit or market? I have a special video on that. That is spot trading. You have to go and watch it. I have loads of valuable content here for you. You have to go and watch to learn more deeper on some of this. So let's go back to our purpose for this video. So when bought, you have your USDC here now, and I think from there now you can click on withdraw. Then instead of USDT here, change this one to USDC. Then come back to this place, select USDC, copy your wallet, then transfer your money. So as for me now, I will assume that the exchange you are using is favoring you based on the transferring from USDT from your exchange to Cleva. I will just assume. I will not mind the charges on my own end here. After all, this is tutorial. So I will click on this again. Good. So I'm sending, make sure you read all this one to understand this very well. All the information, read it. So I'm sending USDT and I'm using this network, which is TRC20. I have to copy this wallet address. Copy. Good. So I come back here now. I think this is where we were. USDT. Good. I'm okay. Normal transfer. Good. I'm okay. Now the network, I think it's TRC20, right? Oh, good. TRC20. So click here, then select TRC20. Click on confirm. Then here, paste the wallet address from Cleva App. I think I have copied it already. I'll paste it here now. Pasted. How much do you want to send? Put it here. As for me, I will put 20 USDT. So this is the deduction, and they will charge this amount 22.5 so that I can able to send actual 20 USDT to Cleva. So now click on withdraw now. Okay, 2FA code. So I have copied it, paste it, pending for email approval. So let me open my email. Now look at this. Now look at it. So I will click on reconfirm. Withdraw confirmation, approve, confirmed successfully. So here now, let me go back here. I want to see, I have $170 here already. So within 5 minutes, I believe this should be funded here. Now look at it here. Withdrawal processing. That is from my own exchange. Withdrawal processing. Oh, good. Very fast. Look at it, withdrawal sent, and look at this place also, withdrawn successfully. So let's go back to Cleva. This happened within 2 minutes. It's not even up to 2 minutes. My Cleva is still loading. Don't forget I have 170 USDT there before, so it should be 190 or oh, look at it. Good, 190. I got the notification. Good, you can see. Oh, great, 190. Look at it. Wow, Cleva is a great app for every Nigerian, African, anybody around the world to have. So I have $190 here now. What about withdrawing this to my local bank account? Don't forget, at a very good market rate. To withdraw this now, click on transfer. You will click here to select your bank, but if you're very new to this, you don't have bank account added before, just click on add new. It's a very simple process to add your bank account details. As for me, I will click on this, then put my OPay there. From OPay now, I have 190 there, so I'll put $190. This is so swift, you will see it now. So everything will be 289,000 plus. Then I click on continue, then I click on confirm. So let me put my code from authentication app. It's just one of the smart security way to protect your account. Good, I've pasted it. Now verifying code, initiating, transfer, send, transfer in transit. Good, I've received the money. Have you seen it? Look at it. Good, transfer sent successfully. So let me go to my OP now to go and confirm this. 289,370. Let's see, it's usually fast. Good, the money received. I told you, very fast transaction. Look at it, 289,370. Exactly, no charges. These charges here, you know, if you are Nigerian, you know this is normal thing from Nigeria as at now when I'm making this video. So they deduct 50 naira. So I hope you enjoy Cleva app. Make sure you get an account with them today. And one more thing I need to show you about Cleva. Oh, lest I forget, it's not today I've been enjoying Cleva app. Let me show you another secret of Cleva app. Even from here, they still let you know one of their key benefits, which is this: invite a friend and earn $5. That is why I said make use of my referral link and code, because I show you guys opportunity. This is one of the benefits in return for me. Please make sure you make use of my referral link to sign up. This is my own benefit for the effort of showing you solution to many people's problems. So let me click on go home so that to show you how to get this through, because you also want to, okay, let me even show you the benefit I've gotten so far from Cleva, so as to encourage you. Click on settings, click on this one, refer and earn $5 for referral. Now look at it, you can read it, you get $5. Just refer people. This is my own referral link and referral code. Make use of it, please. This is where you see your own referral link and the referral code. Let me show you one of the benefits I've gotten so far from my referral program here. Let me click on view all. Oh, even before I go, I have $5 pending bonus. So let's go. Click on view all. Now look at it. So far so good. I'm making up to $120. Very simple. And I still have this pending amount here, which is that $5. So just for 23 successful referrals, I have earned up to $120 US. Let's check the value of $120 US to naira as of today. Let's say 120. Yay! So 184,000 plus. Just for what? Just for referring people. And how did I do it to get this amount of money without struggling to look for people? Because for real, I don't beg anybody to get this. Honestly, I will just say a lot. I will just see the email that I've gotten this amount of money. How? What is the secret behind it? Honestly, I got this thing through my YouTube. Honestly, that's why I told you guys that it is good if you have skill. This money you are seeing is aside from money I'm generating from my YouTube channel and many. If you also want to be like me, to be making money from different angles, that means you need to invest in yourself. And how you do that? Get skill. One of the solutions I have for you, I have course for that. If you want to learn how to be creating content on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and others, I have many on that. You can enroll for my course. Check the pinned comment. You also see it there. Make sure you click on the pinned comment to see everything. You will see my course there, tutorial class there. Go and enroll. Go and enroll for my class so that all these things will be easier for you to be cashing out, involved with some of these things. Make money while sleeping. Make money effortlessly. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please make sure you do now and turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I release valuable content here. You want to connect with me also? Share the pinned comment. Use the link to connect with me on WhatsApp. I love you guys. Till next time. See you in my next videos.